Hey, hello guys. My name is Rahil Nawaz and welcome to the Capital Coach. Today I'm going to show you great opportunity in gold market. Right now gold is ranging on 4150 and we looking at amazing opportunity in this video. I'm going to give you great buy level with a small stop loss, and I will also give you the trendy trade. That means I am going to show you the sell trade, sell level with small stop loss and with also with the great profit as well. With the help of technical, fundamental, sentiment, and geopolitical event, I'm going to conclude these results. So let's jump in this video and let's find out which is the level to trade next week.
Dear audience of the Capital Coach, the $4,000 level is very much important level to watch in this week. The statement of Fed Chair Kevin Warsh and the geo-economic events push the prices towards the down, and geopolitical reasons pull back the prices towards upward. Money supply, personal consumption expenditure and inflation data will decide the move of the gold in this week. From the last 12-month money supply is moving upwards. The money supply will approach to the $22.9 trillion. If the money supply increase in the market, obviously the money is printing in the market, inflation will increase, dollar index which is trading near about $101 will approach to the $101.500, and obviously gold will dip down. And there is the huge probability to increase the personal consumption expenditure. Gold will try to hit the 4,000 psychological level. The matter between United States of America and Iran is resolved now. Strait of Hormuz is opened, and on the basis of geopolitical tension, which is resolved now, the gold prices will approach to the upper side.
Today is 23rd June 2026, and today we don't have any big or major calendar event right now. Tonight flash manufacturing PMI or flash services PMI data, it's an PMI day as well, but we have another calendar events like AUD rate decision or CPI data as well, and employment chain unemployment rate, it's also related to the AE. USD data, if we're talking about the USD core PCE price index and GDP price index quarter by quarter, unemployment claim rates, and Friday is nothing special unless University of Michigan consumer sentiment and University of Michigan inflation expectation data as well. So it's a no major calendar event right now. We are looking at the chart of economic calendar event if we are talking about, but there is a event of geopolitical and fundamental as well. So first of all, we need to talk about dollar index. Dollar index extreme bullish right now. It's near to hit 101, and dollar index clearly sweeping his resistance, break out his resistance, and market going up and up. That mean it's may pressure on gold as well. It's, we see the pressure on gold, and if we are talking about the 10-year yield, 10-year is also looking so, but nothing bad as well. According to dollar index and 10-year yield, we can conclude a dollar index and 10-year yield may pressurize the gold and silver market. And let's find out which is the best level to buy or sell gold market right now. If we're talking about the monthly chart of the gold, gold is right now extreme bear condition, and after 7 day monthly candle make lows, but right now gold market is ranging between 4100 and market low is $4,020. So market may break his low and go more down, but if market close in the range of 4150, then that is the clear market continue his bearish trend in future as well. But after 7 day we will see what happened and what is the closing price of the monthly candle of June 2026. And if we are talking about a weekly candle is also showing us the bearish trend, and moving average line is tapping right away, and market may sweep his support level again and again. And right now there is no major breakdown, but after 3 day weekly candle also closed. But if we are analyzing last 6 or 7 candle, they are showing us extreme bearish condition and bearish trend. They're showing us the bearish trend in gold weekly candles and weekly chart as well. So according to the monthly and weekly, we can conclude the trend is the bearish. And if we are talking about the dollar index at any yield, our conclusion is also same. Gold is may more pressurized in future as well. So the strong probabilities after a long term, if we are talking about monthly and weekly chart, is to always trade on bearish side. Let's convert on daily chart, and daily chart is also showing us today's extreme bearish candle, and market today's low is 4090, and I think so it's also showing us the bearish trend. Market keep dropping from 4850 to 4150 or 44,050. So it's a clear mean market is strong bearish trend. So daily chart, and let's find out the entry and exit point. If you are not looking and if you are not agree with me to sell gold right away, and because gold is on his support level and it's not a good idea to buy sell gold from his support, so then we have to take a chance with small stop loss to buy gold from 4060 to $4080. So that's our very strong support. And if you try to buy gold, so I suggest you to buy gold always below from 4050, because if we try to buy gold from 4050, our stop loss is very minimum, and there's a high probabilities to market may retrace or may correct himself. And if market go on for the correction, it's very normal to hit market 4200 or 4190 dollars. So I think so it's a huge profit, it's a great profit actually, if with the very minimum stop loss. But if you are the favor of sell, if you are like me, a trend is your friend, or always trade with your friends trend, then we have to wait to correct market. And market may, if market achieve or retrace itself to 4150, then we are able to try or risk something to short the gold, and we need to take 20 to $30 stop loss. It's a not very huge, but it's a medium stop loss with the minimum stop loss hunting chances. So according to the technical analysis, the good sell entry point is above 4250, because my trend line, my moving average line, and my resistance line is here. But market is almost $150 below from his resistance. So we can try buy as well from support 4050, but the market price is 4120 or 30. It's not a good level to buy or sell from this level. Although if we take any, if you see, if we find any rejection, we may take any decision. Right now market is ranging and market on sideway. I am waiting for the market reach his low and got rejection from his low, like market got rejection himself from previous. Look how beautiful doji, and it's a triple bottom, or it's like a morning star pattern, a triple candlestick pattern. It's a very good pattern, and candles always supporting us by giving us the doji on below side. So that's a very great opportunity we earn in the past. But right now I'm not looking any good pattern, although this is the also the pattern look like a morning star, but it's not a strong pattern, and not in his very bottom or very good support, but it's also on support level right now, which is market currently running. There is a one probabilities right now. Let me show you the probability. That's, but it's not a very good trend line. Trend line is like that because it's a perfect trend line, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 lows and 1 breakout. So that's a perfect trend line. But if we draw a trend line like that, it's not a good or any strong trend line. So I am not relying on that trend line. I consider this is the breakout of my trend line, and I always try to sell gold from, if market try to hit his trend line, test his trend line, then I'm going to take and sell chance with $10 stop loss. Like I'm going to put my first sell order from on 4180, and my stop loss would be on 4195 or 99, for the sake of saving my stop loss from the hunting to the market. So that's why I'm not gonna take a small stop loss here, because I am taking this trade by the favor of trend. That's why let's take some risk, and it's a huge and it's a great risk reward ratio as well. So that's why this is very good opportunity, I think. So I believe our first because my trend line is favoring me. If I am technical analyst, my moving average is into the favor of this sell trend, and my trend is also give me the favor condition. So if we are talking about the current scenario, that's a great opportunity. But if we are talking about the full week, I already give you the full week review. If we need to buy gold from 4050, below 4050, and with small stop loss. And if you want to sell gold from 4200 above 4250 for the rest of the week. These are the support and resistance, and you may inshallah earn profit with following this pattern. I hope you guys like our video, and you guys are learn a lot of things from us, and I hope you earn green pips as well with the help of our technical analysis and our geopolitical and fundamental analysis related to the gold market. If these videos are valuable for you, then please subscribe our channel and please hit the bell icon. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.